Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys have any type of Ford or like a Lincoln vehicle and you are like replacing the brakes on it and then it does has the electronic parking brakes, so you must do this before you open up the brakes, because if you do not do this before, it's gonna like screw you over. So like what we have to do first is like enable the brake mode. So first we're gonna do is turn off the vehicle. So now the vehicle is off, and then just to make sure, open up the door so it can turn off the system. So now I'm gonna close the door, and now what we have to do is I'm gonna press the gas pedal, and then at the same time I'm gonna press the switch in. So gas pedal and the switch in, and we're gonna do this for like around 5 seconds. And now at the same time I'm gonna press the engine start button. I'm gonna still keep on holding the gas pedal, and then the brake switch for 5 more seconds. Now I'm gonna press this button one more time, and now I'm gonna press it one more time. So now I'm going to release the brake pedal and everything, and as you can see, the brake switch, as you can see the brake light started blinking, and now it's saying brake maintenance ready. So like now what it would do is it will like retract the motors in, allowing you to replace the brakes. And now I can just turn off the vehicle, and then I can just like replace the brakes. But once I'm done replacing them, then we have to do the same thing but a little bit differently to like enable it into normal mode. So I'm gonna open the door one more time to like make the system shut down. And as you can see, it will still be saying park brake maintenance mode. I'm gonna close the door. Now what we're doing, we're gonna press the gas pedal, but instead of pushing this button inwards, I'm gonna be pulling it out. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna press 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna come over here, press the engine start button, and I'm gonna wait 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna hit it one more time, and then one more time. And now, as you can see, the brake switch is, now I'm gonna release everything, and now it will say park brake not applied. As you can see, the brake maintenance light is no longer coming. And now just to make sure, I'm gonna just press on the brake pedal a few times, and then now if I pull up the lever, there you go, it has braked. And if I push it down, it has released the brakes. So it's that simple. Do follow these steps carefully, and then if you like don't do it within the 5 seconds, it may delay the process. So just you may have to do it a few times. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.